Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Pocket Broker account. So first of all, launch Pocket Broker application on your mobile devices. Now, once you come to the app's interface, you will see the option of sign in at the bottom. Tap on it. Now, all you would have to do is enter the email address that you had used to create your Pocket Broker account. Here we go. Now enter your password. After entering your password, tap on the option of Sign In. If you have a Google account connected to your Pocket Broker account, you can simply tap on this option of Google at the bottom. Now let's tap on the option of Sign In for now. With that, you will successfully be able to sign in or log in to your Pocket Broker account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.